storm of March 15th and 16th, 2026 is not just a bad snowstorm. This is a catastrophe. Nearly 3 feet of snow in 24 hours, more than 129,000 people without power, a state of emergency declared in 7 counties, bridges, highways, and airports shut down, and an Arctic blast right behind it, keeping every inch of that snow frozen on the ground. Michigan is a state that knows winter, but even here, where blizzards are a way of life, March 2026 made people stop and stare at the sky with respect, and maybe with fear. It all started Sunday morning. Snow was falling at a rate of up to 3 inches per hour. Wind gusts hit 69 miles per hour. Visibility, zero. Absolute zero. Roads, homes, entire towns disappeared behind a white wall in a matter of hours. Residents of northern Michigan said they had never seen anything like it in their lives, and they were not exaggerating. The Upper Peninsula took the worst of it. The small town of Herman in Marquette County, 36 inches of snow, 3 full feet, waist deep on a grown adult. 34 of those inches came down in the last 24 hours alone. And by Tuesday morning, a weather station near Mount Arvin in the same county recorded 39 inches, a new all-time state record. Spalding in Menominee County, 35 inches. The Forest Lake area in Alger County, nearly 32 inches. National Mine in Marquette County, 30. The weather station in Negaunee recorded 36.3 inches over 48 hours.
Oh, I said stop that. Wow, it's bad out there. Janie, it's okay. Holy cow, is it bad out there. Oh, stop barking at me. Stop barking. Oh, Jana Rue, it's fine.
Still a little bit in shock.
People open their front doors, and there is a solid wall of snow reaching up to the ceiling. This is not edited. This is not special effects. This is what residents of the Upper Peninsula saw Monday morning.
Oh, them bitches done crashed into each other. I'm glad a bitch ain't sliding in the back of me.
The transportation system was completely paralyzed. A 20-mile stretch of M28 between Kyle Bogum Road and M94 in Alger and Marquette counties shut down in both directions. The Mackinac Bridge, the only road link between the two peninsulas, closed to all traffic. Driving was not just difficult, it was life-threatening. The Marquette County Sheriff's Office warned everyone, travel only in emergencies. Every stuck car is an obstacle for the plows. If you are stranded, stay in your vehicle and call 911. Across the country, more than 2,600 flights were canceled. Now the worst part, the power grid. By Monday afternoon, 129,000 customers were in the dark. Power lines snapped under the weight of snow and ice. Trees crashed down onto wires, and repair crews could not push through 3-foot snowdrifts to reach the damage. Roscommon County, 87% of the population without power. Alpena County, 70% of Alpena Power customers with no electricity. Overnight winds knocked out lines that had just been repaired, sending crews back to square one. No power means no heat. It is freezing outside. Inside, temperatures are dropping by the hour. People tried to warm their homes with gas stoves, risking carbon monoxide poisoning. Emergency services were begging them to not do this. More than 700 Consumers Energy crews worked 16-hour shifts around the clock. By the evening of March 17th, they managed to restore power to more than 100,000 customers. But in the hardest-hit areas, power will not come back until the weekend. That is not hours of waiting, that is days. Schools were closed across all of northern Michigan and the Upper Peninsula. Monday canceled, Tuesday canceled in advance. Michigan Tech and Northern Michigan University campuses shut down. Businesses were not operating. Stores, offices, shops, everything closed. Grocery shelves were stripped bare before the storm even hit. People were preparing for the worst. Governor Gretchen Whitmer activated the State Emergency Operations Center on Sunday morning. She closed government offices across 28 counties. Then, on March 17th, she declared a full state of emergency for the 7 hardest-hit counties: Alcona, Alpena, Delta, Missaukee, Ogemaw, Roscommon, and Wexford. Every available resource was deployed: road clearing, fuel delivery, power line repairs. By Tuesday morning, the worst of the storm had passed. Winds began to die down, but cold air streaming over the Great Lakes kept dumping snow on downwind areas. Alger County was expecting up to another 5 inches. Winter weather advisories and icing warnings remained in effect.